On September 10, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology's latest new vehicle announcement catalogue revealed information about the Leapmotor Lafa5. The new vehicle was unveiled at the 2025 Munich International Motor Show and simultaneously opened for blind bookings. It is scheduled for a launch in China in the fourth quarter of 2025 and globally in 2026. The high-performance Ultra version will be delivered to mainland China in the first half of 2026. Built on the Leap 3.5 architecture, the Lafa5 is positioned as a stylish sports coupe, embracing the core values of lifestyle, attitude, freedom and art, and targeting urban youth. In terms of appearance, it continues Leapmotor's latest family design. At the front, a solid internally illuminated strip connects the 3-point daytime running lights on each side and integrates the high and low beams. The slightly tapered front end and the prominent nose with black front lip enhance the sense of depth and sportiness. Roof-mounted LiDAR demonstrates its intelligent assisted driving capabilities. The vehicle features sleek and aerodynamic side lines, short front and rear overhangs, and a long wheelbase, creating a clean profile. Hidden door handles, a simple waistline, and frameless doors create a stylish appearance. The vehicle measures 4,430 mm in length, 1,880 mm in width, and 1,520 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,735 mm. The statement states that the new vehicle will be equipped with 19-inch wheels, with front and rear wheels of 225/45 R19 and 235/45 R19 respectively. It can also be optionally equipped with a front binocular camera, LiDAR, rear trunk lid high-position camera, panoramic roof window, with or without LiDAR, exterior rear-view mirror seat camera, symmetrical on left and right, fender ornament camera, symmetrical on left and right, etc. onboard device, and other configurations. The rear of the vehicle also features plug-in taillights, and the 3-point structure on both sides reflects the iconic design of the Leapmotor family. A large spoiler on the roof, the trunk lines are slightly pronounced, and the overall style is unified. A high-performance Ultra version with a more distinctive and sporty appearance is also available. It features a special exterior design package that includes a sporty front bumper, underbody cladding, and a rear spoiler. It will be delivered to mainland China in the first half of 2026. In terms of power, it is equipped with a drive motor produced by Jinhua Lingxing Power Technology Company, limited with a peak power of 160 kilowatts.